This video primarily demonstrates the collection and detection process of rectal swab and fecal swab samples of InCycle automatic nucleic acid analysis system. 1. Checking and preparation. Open the kit and check if the components are complete according to the instruction. Before conducting the test, mix the magnetic beads well by gently shaking them. Tear open the packaging bags of reagent to check appearance of lyophilized PCR reagent. Avoid using the moisture-absorbed reagents as shown in the picture. Next, gently flick the lyophilized PCR reagent to ensure it is located at the bottom of the tube. Check for the bubbles in the PK liquid. If present, gently flick the reagent from the bottom of the tube to eliminate the bubbles. Then, gently flick the PK liquid reagent to ensure it is positioned at the bottom of the tube. The reagent should be completely at the bottom of the tube. 2. Inserting reagents. Align tube 1 with the reagent tube slot. Insert it into the corresponding position of the cartridge and place it as shown in the figure. If the upper and lower edges of tube 1 and tube 2 are flush, we can lift the reagent tube up with fingers. The firmly fixed reagent tube indicates successful tube installation, and then tear off the cartridge sealing film and insert the PK into the corresponding position. 3. Sampling and sample processing. For rectal swab sampling, first take out a disposable swab and moisten it with 0.9% saline solution provided by the hospital. Then gently insert it into the pet's anus, rotate 3 times, and remove it. For fecal swab sampling, obtain fecal samples by dipping the head of a disposable swab into the feces. The volume of feces covering the head of the swab should be approximately 1 second to 2/3. Fresh feces collected within 2 hours is preferred. Note: the sample preservation solution is irritating, and disposable swabs should not be sampled again after being mixed in the sample preservation solution. After thoroughly mixing the disposable swab in the sample preservation solution, remove it. Then tighten the cap of the sample preservation solution tube and place it in the centrifuge. Centrifuge at 8,000 to 12,000 RPM for 5 minutes. Note: used disposable swabs should be placed in a disinfectant solution to prevent contamination. 4. Adding sample and testing. Take the supernatant from the preservation solution tube to the 200 microliter mark. Then add the supernatant dropwise into the groove of the cartridge sample compartment and click the red exit button to exit the sample drawer. Cartridge should be placed in the analyzer in the order of left sample compartment, right PCR, pull the buckle to the right, click the red exit button to enter the sample drawer, and click Test. Next. For test, swipe the RFID card in the card swiping area on the side of the analyzer. When swiping a card, the card should remain stationary until the beep ends. After the information is successfully entered, confirm the sample type and other basic information, and then click the button according to the analyzer prompts in sequence. 5. Threshold adjustment and interpreting the results. After that, please confirm the amplification curve before outputting the report. If you need to adjust the threshold, please refer to the threshold adjustment operation video. After confirming the results, click Alt-it. OK. Subsequently, you can view and print the test report in the InHub software. Note: only approved results can be viewed and printed. 6. Cartridge handling. Click the red exit button to exit the sample drawer and affix a seal sticker, yellow, to the surface of the cartridge. Then, put the buckle to the left to remove the cartridge. Used cartridge should be handled in accordance with the requirements of the local regulations of pollutant treatment processing. G-Links. Everything is for life.